a routine traffic stop, something officers handle every day. But this time, things take a sudden and dangerous turn, escalating into a situation no one saw coming. Watch this shocking chain of events. Atlanta, Georgia. On November 20th, Georgia State Police stopped a red Nissan Altima for failing to use its turn signal. The driver pulled into a Motel 6 parking lot and came to a stop. But without warning, the vehicle suddenly sped off.
Virginia Ave and Harrison Road on a burgundy and colored Nissan Altima, Georgia 28, William Paul Zebra 355, WPZ 355. No, 1080. On Harrison Road, coming up on Rugby Avenue. Coming up on Walker Avenue. On Mercer Avenue. Right hand turn on Bachelor Street. Right hand turn on Cambridge.
Playing a game of cat and mouse, he gets on the side and taps him on the rear. If you know anything about the Georgia State Police, no matter what, you are not getting away.
Left hand turn on Harrison. Left hand turn, Virginia Ave. Taking 85 south.
At this point, the trooper makes contact with the rear passenger side of the vehicle. This move is both reckless and dangerous, given that a tractor trailer is positioned next to the car and another vehicle is directly ahead, nearly resulting in a collision. Instead of letting the suspect's car move forward, the trooper attempts to box it in despite the heavy traffic in the area and endangering the lives of people around him. Finally, with the opportunity to pit, the vehicle spins around and slams into the wall. But wait, there's more.
Vehicles driving the wrong way in Interstate 85. Coming back to Virginia Ave.
Desperate to get away, the suspect drives straight through a red light, narrowly colliding with another vehicle.
Crossing over Talking Terrace, coming up on Norman Berry Drive.
Notice the passenger's hands up. This visibly shows the passenger might be trying to show that they don't agree with the driver's reckless behavior. Georgia State Police attempts another pit, but is unsuccessful.
Taking Cleveland Avenue exit. He is keeping straight across the intersection. He's 1050 with another vehicle. And he's still rolling left on Cleveland Ave. Driver's side rear tire is failing him. He's out of control, almost at a pedestrian.
Out of nowhere, the car stops at the corner and his pregnant passenger gets out.
Passengers out of the vehicle. I have other units behind me. Containing the passenger. I made a right hand turn on Springdale Road. Rear driver's side tire is out.
With the right tire blown, the car veers erratically, weaving dangerously through a residential neighborhood.
Put your hands on your back! Get up.
We'll be at 2451 Springdale Road. 2451 Springdale Road. And going for 51 for this Nissan Altima. William Zebra 355. William Zebra 355.
I'm good. That was dumb. Oh, yeah.
I think it's almost time that we have no option in there. Correct.
Go ahead, step back real quick.
Edward Lee Brown Jr. was detained and arrested. Through this whole ordeal, he had no regard for his woman nor her unborn child in the car with him.
She was on Virginia Ave. She got out Virginia Ave and
She pregnant, man. She ain't got
the female passenger got out on Virginia Ave at Springdale. See if you can have local around that area so they can locate her. I'll get a description.
You hear me, son? You hand me my money, man?
where's that?
She's wearing a reddish pink hoodie.
Alright. Nah, looks good.
I'm trying to figure out why I was being chased.
Black female. Reddish pink hoodie, black
Being
female.
chased, you know?
Pink hoodie. Alright.
Y'all tell me why I was being chased.
Get in the car, man.
High-speed pursuits aren't just a danger to the driver, they put innocent lives at risk. But it's also the responsibility of law enforcement to make decisions that will keep the public safe. Please remember that police chases are dangerous and unpredictable. 12 on scene does not support reckless driving or any other illegal actions. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to support this channel.